Buddha Yoma at the station, Bidin Nama by the window, Zainama near the market, Titatema inside the box, Sao Apima outside the building, Tadaboma over the bridge, Tipin Alma under the tree, Nayanik Galiet against the wall, Landashama along the road, Tangye Aloma beyond the mountain, Nya Achema during the night, Nemetwemi before sunrise, Jampi Bichin after school, Tengichin Atu with my friends, Computer Mishibe without permission, Janamita Sutwa for my family, Simanging Ajang about the project, Yongane from the office, Jayuago to the village, Akante go into the room.